How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. First thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app. And now from your profile icon, you need to head over to the plus icon at the bottom. And you can select any video that you want to upload from your gallery. So let me just select a video. So here is a random video that I have selected from my gallery. So what I'm going to do now is instead of tapping on next and posting it directly, what you can do is go back and edit the video. So to do that, tap on the edit icon right here. And once you have done that, you can click on this add sound option and then select your favorite sound. So I'm just going to select anything right here. So I'm just going to select a random sound and then tap on done. Now the sound will be added to your video, but what you can do is tap on this volume option and then decrease it to 0 so the sound will be muted even if you have added any other sounds. And once that is done, you can just start playing the video and see if it works. And once you're happy with it, you can tap on next and you can publish it. So tap on next and then now you can tap on post and you won't be copyrighted again. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful to you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.